Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shishwa Saita. I hope you all are doing fine. Let's solve today's problem for Leetcode. The problem name is greatest common divisor of a string. Okay, it's an easy problem. Let's give a like. The problem says for two string s and t, we say t divides s if and only if s is equal to t plus t plus t. That means t is an concatenated with itself one or more times. Okay, so like we will add t multiple times, which will be equal to s. It's basically saying that given two string 1 and 2, return the largest string x such that x divides both string 1 and string 2. So let's understand this problem with an example. So we are given an example here where string 1 is equal to ABC, ABC, and we have string 2 as ABC. Let's say we will divide A, B, C, A, B, C. We'll divide it by string 2, which is A, B, C. Let's divide this. This is getting divided. This is also, we will use another color. This is getting divided here. This is also getting divided. It can also get divided by this one also and this one also. So it can be divided. So the string x value will be equal to A, B, C. Okay. Let's see another example. So here we have string A, B, A, B, A, B. And what is the string 2 here? String 2 is here A, B, A, B. Okay. So we can say we can divide AB, AB. We can say we can divide AB, AB till this much. Now what is left? We have AB left. Can AB divided like can we say AB? Can we divide AB by AB, AB? No, we cannot divide AB by AB, AB. So we can say we cannot use this as a string. So now what we'll do? We will again divide it here. We can say here AB, AB and AB can be divided, all this can be divided by AB. Let's see how. So this can be divided here, this can be divided here, and this can be divided here. And same thing we will do for string 2. Same thing we will do for string 2. Let's see what is the string 2 here. AB and AB. Let's say we divide this by AB now. So we can divide this guy, this guy, this guy, and this guy. So we can say the new string x will be AB, which can divide both the string 1 and string 2. Let's see another example here, which is Leetcode. In this Leetcode, see string 1 is here, lead, and code here, string 2. So we cannot divide this by any string. Why we can't divide this by any string here? Let's say we join these two here. We joined lead code. We can't divide lead code with lead. So we have to return an empty string. We can't divide anything here. That's why we are returning an empty string. I hope I'm clear till here. So let's see how we can approach this problem. So what I can say here, I will have a assumption. If string 1 is plus string 2 is equal to string 2 plus string 1. So in this case, we can find a string x. We can find a string x. We can find, if this condition is true, then we can say we can find string s. So let's see with a live example, how can we do this? We will apply to everyone here. What is string here? String 1. String 1 is here A, B, C, A, B, C, and we will add string 2. String 2 will be equal to A, B, C. Let's say if it is equal to string 2 plus string 1. What is string 2 here? String 2 is here A, B, C, and A, B, C, and another one is A, B, C. We can say this is equal. So if this is equal, then we can say we can find out the X value, which is in this case, which is A, B, and C. I hope I'm clear here. I hope I'm clear here. Let's check for this guy. A, B, A, B, A, B, and what is string 2 here? Also A, B, sorry, A, B. Now what is, let's add for string 2, which is A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. So we can say here this both this one condition, string 1 plus string 2 is equal to string 2 plus string 1. So what we can say here, we will have an X value. We will have an X value. If this fails, we can say it will be an empty array. Why it will be empty array? We cannot find any, if like in this case, let's say in this case, I will rub this all. I will keep this guy. So in string 1, what do we have? Lit. And in string 2, we have code. And now we will add code first. Then we will add lit. Is this equal? No, this is not equal. This is not equal. So what we can say? We will never find X value. That's why we will return an empty string. I will tell you why we will never find empty string. Just assume we will take any part of this value which cannot be divided by throughout the array. So for this reason, we can say string 1 plus string 2 will be equal to string 2 plus string 1. I will be more clear here. So in this case, string 1 and string 2 is equal to string 2 plus string 1. We had seen for every condition. So here we can say here we will have an big string here. If we add these two string, we can if we add these two string A, B, C, A, B, C. So we can say out of this any part of substring, any part of substring, this may be this string, it can be divided. It can be divided string 1 and string 2. Why I am saying this? Because here string 1 is string 1 plus string 2 is equal to string 2 plus string 1. So here we can say any part of this substring can be divided both these axes. Let's say here, let's take an example here. So what is the length of this guy? Which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what is this length? This is equal to 3. This is equal to 1, 2, 3. And what is the substring? What is the JDC for this guy? It is 3. So what we will do? We will say start from 0 till this guy. This is 3. So this 3 can be divided any string here. Let's see, is this possible? A, B, C. Here A, B, C can be divided here, and here also it can be divided, and here also it can be divided. I hope I'm clear. Let's code and see. And I will explain each and every line of code. So don't worry. First, I have to check if string 1 plus string 2 is equal to string 2 plus string 1. Why I have to check? To find JDC. Here we found JDC. If after finding JDC, after finding a substring of this x1 plus x2, then what we will do? We will say here we can this substring can be divided by any of this object. Let's say here if string 1 plus string 2 is equal to string 2 plus string 1, so we can say we don't need to do anything. If it is not equal, then what we have to do? We have to return empty string. Okay, so it should be not equal to. So for that we will use this guy. Okay, So in after case, if it is equal to, if we found out if it is equal to, then the length of both the string like length of the both the string of that GDC will be equal to the output here. So what I'm saying here, return anything we can say string 2, always it will be less than or equal to the minimum of the length. It is a basic GDC, you will understand this. So we will say, and it will take any one, string 1 or string 2. So we will take string 1 for more comparative. So some string 0 comma, so 0 comma, and we have to find GDC. So we have to find GDC from what is the GDC here? The length of a string 1 and the length of a string 2. So string 1 length comma string 2 length. After finding this, we will get an output here. In this case, first case, we will find 0 comma 3. We will find 0 comma 3. So we have to take from 0 till 3, which is here ABC. So we have to print ABC here, and we will get an output of ABC. Now we will have a method. We will create a method for JCD, and we will have one input as A and input of B. And this is a simple JDC. If B is equal to 0, then just return A, or else we have to use recursive code. We have to say if A and percentile of B. Okay, let's run and see if it is possible. If there is any error, we can say yeah, we do have error, or we have to mention this guy. Okay. Okay, 2 error. Finish. Run. Let's see if there is any error. Yeah, all test cases are passing. Let's submit and see, and we will review another time this code. Yes, it's getting submitted 85% and 72%. So what I did here, I checked string 1 plus string 2 is equal to string 2 plus string 1. If it is not equal to, we will just return an empty string. Else, if that is a not case, we have to string a substring of 0 to GDC of length, string 1 of length and string 2 of length, and we will get here 0 to 3. And everyone knows how to find GCD. Everyone knows how to find GDC, but I will explain. We have to return the lowest possible number here. So in this case it is 3, and for this case 1 2 3 4 5 6, and here 1 2 3 4, and in this case 2 can divide both these guys. So 2 can also be divided, 4 can also be divided by 2, and 6 can also be divided by 2, and for this case the GDC will be equal to 2. So here 0 to 2, and here the answer is here A and B. I hope I'm clear here how we got it, why you're using GDC. Yeah, string 1 plus string 2 is equal to string 2 plus string 1, and any part of this, after finding this, any part of this GDC is equal to it can be divided by string 1 and string 2. I hope I'm clear here. Okay. So if you still didn't understand this code, please do comment. I will surely help you. And if you like this video, please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. It will be great help. Thank you for watching, and keep coding. Chalo, bye.